Restraint means self-control. The blank is to be filled with any choice which has a similarity in meaning of restraint in direct or abstract form, which is indicated and predicted by the and before the blank. People have to show the capacity which is strong enough to fail the terrorism. Obstination, given as choice A, or inelasticity, given as choice D, mean characteristics to be insensitive to changes. If people cannot show the change with their lives while they are in face of atrocities, then the terrorism cannot be failed, rather it will be stronger. So choice A and choice D are to be eliminated because they cannot fit the blank to make sense. Any kind of anxiety or trepidation or apprehension, which means fear, cannot be effective to gain the capacity to have a change against terrorism. And so choice B and C are also to be eliminated because they also cannot fit the blank to make sense. Resilience and pliability as choice E and F mean the capacity to recover quickly from difficulties, toughness, or elasticity of people to change in attitude and actions, which reflect the prediction for the correct answers. So the correct answers are choice E and F.